Today I'll be showing you guys how to make 2 origami creations out of just chopstick paper. Here I have a heart and an origami star. You can wow your friends. You just need 2 origami or, chopstick paper, and then you can make it. Good luck, have fun. Alright, here we have our wooden chopsticks wrapped in paper that we're going to need, so let's open it. Take out the chopsticks. Now let's eat our food. Alright, I'm full now. Let's fold. So you're gonna take the chopstick wrapper and you're gonna as you can see, it's a little thick to fold with, so we're gonna fold in half first. Now after we fold it in half, we can see what we're really trying to work with. Now you're gonna fold the knot. It's a lot easier to work with because it's not as hard as origami paper. And now we're gonna wrap this over. Doesn't matter which way you wrap it for this because it's chopstick paper, and I freaking love chopstick paper for this. Take that piece off. Make sure you wrap it tight or else it won't turn out well. And then with the access, you poke it in whichever pocket you can. And whichever side you poked it in, the other side is where you're going to fold. So now we have something like this, which is the base. Now we just shape it. Shape it as we did the last one. Looking at this side helps you make it more star-like because you can see how even the hands are, and then you can edit it. Look at that. That's a lot better than freaking this. This is ugly compared to this, in my opinion. I mean, I could probably shape this even better, but quick close-up. I guess not. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the star. Now I'm going to start making the heart. Yo, let me make an origami heart, my dude. Oh yeah, okay, here. Now we're going to make the origami heart. You can use the chopsticks, friend.
I'm actually delusional.
So for the heart, we're going to fold it in half. And then we're going to fold in half again. And then after that, we're going to fold this up along the crease. And then we're going to flip it over. And then we're going to fold this down and kind of tuck it in a little. Right here. Just tuck it in a tiny bit. It kind of got a little messed up because I slammed the chopsticks, but you're not tucking it in all the way, just a little bit. Then once you have it tucked, don't worry about the back, by the way. They're only looking at the front. Then you fold these 2 corners in on both sides. But don't fold the corners down all the way because then it won't look like a heart. So something like this, and then fold it, turn around, and oops, hold on. Make it even. Make it even. That's very important. And then you almost have a part. Now we're going to fold the corners over to make it match. Just until they look equal. There we have it. Origami heart out of chopstick paper.
Quick outro. I suggest that you only use chopstick paper for these. I hope you have a good day.